good.
Do you like them?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They're not much trouble, are they?
No trouble at all.
I wouldn't like to have more than 2 though, would you?
Why not?
Well, it's having to clean all the dust and everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
Could just manage these.
Yeah.
But they're not too bad, are they?
Yeah, you need a bigger shovel.
Give us a nice smile before we have our cup of tea. Oh, they've gone. Give us. I don't. They're very frightened, aren't they? They soon get frightened.
Is it that thing you've got?
No, they're used to it. Give us a smile now.
Don't frighten them again.
Oh, I didn't do it on purpose.